Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, finish the sentence to me. Who can't hear? There you go. See, we're now getting reports that over there in the still beautiful but now very shaky and quite dangerous parish of Trelawney, a Chinese businessman got robbed $14 million in cash. That is a 1 and a 4. Now, wasn't it just recently we were having this conversation that these Chinese businessmen, even though them still happen to them, bridging them, right, or I don't know what you call them, co-workers, I don't know, fellow countrymen of same descent, I don't know, no, it's not the time for semantics. Anyway, you think they would get the picture? You would think after them see, oh, the man them a be a deal with the Chinaman who was very much a part of the community, and the same residents said he was a good man to them. People were messaging me. Maybe people them a link me and tell me, say, Sir P, that man there was a good man. In terms of if certain things not go on, they can link him and all of that and all that. And you still see what them doing. Remember, no people, you can only tame people for so long. See, this Chinaman didn't just lose $14 million. Oh, no. Him also lose him license machine. And not just any license machine, but a Heckler and Koch with 60 rounds. 60. Gleaner say 50 plus, Observer say 60. I don't know if whichever one of the right one will take it up with them. I'm just reading off the news. Right? So, there's now a group of criminals out there with a Heckler and Koch 9 and an extra 60 rounds that can take out an extra 60 Jamaicans. Because Mr. Chin here thinks him little license machine can do nothing against a group of determined men who want to take it from him. And that is a very common delusion in Jamaica. Oh, me have license. First of all, most licensed firearm holder can't use it. Most licensed firearm holder, in the heat of the moment, don't even know what they do. That's the amount of time I've been around licensed firearm and people have to duck and take with themselves. Listen, people, remember, a lot of people, they go get license machine through links who had no previous experience or no training with machine, right? None at all. And there's no somebody and them get it. And I like to them have the police and the military background. Or even if they're more civilian, it's not like so after them get it, them go spend some extensive time on the range and them practice so that if one day them can, no, then get it and then get it, sit down and then waste in the yard. But they feel confident that, oh, well, if nobody ever try nothing with me just pop off and do my thing, come me have 60 rounds. Well, what happened to you, Mr. Cheney? See you lose it there. How skilled do you think you are? You think this is the movies? A group of because first of all, them men are coming on the ones and twos, right? They've all either if it's not the same group, it's all these groups are learning from each other. They might come with maybe a 5, 6, 8, 9, like in a Maypin, where you think you're one little Heckler and Koch can do, and them now come with no pie. Them now come with no old one pop. Them now come with some long broom. So even if you decide you want to take it to a shootout stage, them can go there with you. And if you see all them the police, imagine what them are going to do you, right? Now, this $14 million in cash, listen how it divide up, people. See, Mr. Chin had 3.8 million Jamaican dollars and 80,000 US dollars in cash upon him. This businessman, right, operate a hardware store in a Falmouth. 80,000 US dollars. Listen, the average American who sit down in America now does not earn $80,000 a year. Go check the stats. The average American citizen does not earn 80,000 US dollars a year. They don't. That's above the average salary for an American. No matter of fact, anywhere you go in the world, if you make $80,000 in 1 year, that's considered a pretty good job. Yep, that's a pretty good job. Anywhere you go in the world. And Mr. Chin had it on him in cash. Thinking him little ekel and catch. I go can do something, and by the way, a bossy machine that. Bossy machine. Listen, those criminals are laughing right now. Them probably a smile more about the machine and get than the money. Right? Not common in Jamaica. Nope. Right? I don't know exactly which model, but I have a good idea of which model it is because there's only so many Ekel & Koch 9. Right? Trust me, people. Name brand machine. Bossy boy machine that. And now criminals have it. So Mr. Chin lose him machine. Lose him money. But at least him can give thanks that this time he kept his life. I don't know. Those men must have been feeling extra generous. Extra generous, and not even Christmas time. Right? I'm trying to figure out why they make him live. Because probably, you know what, people? One, especially for him alone, and them realize they take it off of him. And if they mass up and him can't see them face, then them probably just kiss them teeth and send him go on him yard. Because they're probably out of town man anyway. Right? The people them who set him up might be from the people them who set him up might know him, you know. Right? The people them who, because what you think? You think these men just guessed? So Mr. China walk around with $80,000 out of US on him. You think these men just lie down in them bed one day and bust a yarn and go, alright, make you go see Mr. China have $80,000 US on him. No, they knew. They knew he had that kind of money on him. So whether somebody around him sell him out or them see him take out this or war, him go in a bank and the bank too. No, I don't know how the setup start. But the people who actually carry out the apps, the illegal apps, they were probably out of town. More than likely mass up. So then probably just kiss them teeth and say make him go on. Right? But you know, Mr. Chin, at least you're around to see another day. But you're probably gonna do the same thing 3 months down the road. Because they're not learning. They are not learning. I said it right here. Listen, stop moving around this much money and get one bring struck or smart if you carry the money for no. People laugh and say, oh, if you stop talking about money, right? Just like we're struggling YouTube or look views, right? Then the head of the Chinese group come out and say, listen, we need to stop carrying so much money around pound, right? And if him say it and them still not listen, then clearly the man them no plan for change. Clearly they don't plan to change. They're so set in their ways, right? I guess as them say, whole habits die hard, right? They're so set in their ways because people can stubborn to that point. People can stubborn to the point where them willing to go lie down a duff cut or whatever the Chinese equivalent is in Jamaica over some money when they can spend 100,000, pay one of them bring structure to move it for them. People can stubborn so. Why, I don't know. Listen, hopefully we get some more information about the story, but that's it for now, people. 3.8 million Jamaican dollars. $80,000, 1 Ekel & Koch 9 and 60 rounds of ammunition. Today was a good day for those criminals and a bad day for the Chinese businessman and Jamaica as a whole, because another machine out in the streets now and 60 extra rounds out in the streets now, and we know probably what's going to be happening, what they're going to use it for. Now, people, tomorrow morning, I want you to look out for a video. Gonna drop my usual time, right? My regulars I'm supposed to know by now, 7:15 Jamaica time, video drop. At the weekends, normally about 8:30. Right, okay, now people sleeping a little later on the weekends, right? But tomorrow video dropping, people. It's one of those videos where the comment section need to get busy. One of those videos where the comment section we look for 400 or 500 comments. I don't even care about the views. At the comment section where I work with right now, one of them reasoning video, the Serpy and insensible subscribers, them keyword sensible, because we've been infiltrated lately, massively infiltrated actually. I've been trying to shake them, you know, try to call them out, poke them with a stick, but they won't go anywhere. Even when they unsubscribe and come back and watch video. People, I can see everything in my analytics, you know. Right? I can see everything in my analytics. Right. So look out for the video tomorrow morning, people. We'll do some serious reasoning. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.